Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the Panasonic device model and inserting fresh batteries into the universal remote so signals are strong. Once done, power the Panasonic device on manually and position the remote close, within 1 to 2 feet. This improves learning and code detection. Now press and hold the remote setup or device button until the indicator light stays solid. That's the entry to programming mode. You're doing this because the remote must pair to an active receiver to verify commands immediately. Next, you locate the correct Panasonic code using either the remote's automatic search or manual code entry. Automatic search saves time because the remote cycles codes while you watch for a response. Make sure to point the remote at the device and press the power or volume buttons as it cycles. When the device reacts, stop the search immediately. Then press the remote's Confirm or OK button to store that code. This step ensures the remote sends the exact command set the Panasonic expects. Finally, verify every essential function: power, volume, input switching, menu access, and playback controls so you catch any mismatches early. If something doesn't work, retry the automatic search, try alternate Panasonic codes from the remotes list, or re-enter the code manually. This addresses partial command set issues. As a last resort, reset the remote to factory and start over because lingering settings can block programming. Troubleshooting tip: if responses are intermittent, replace batteries and repeat the sync to rule out weak signal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.